So my name is Peter Newhouse. I'm a research scientist at IHMC, and I'm leading our exoskeleton project called QUIX. It's to design a mobility assist device for someone with lower limb paralysis. It's robotic that someone wears around their body, and it moves their joints and supports their weight as they walk over flat ground and stairs and various terrain to replace their wheelchair. Well, we've been working with Star Rapid since about 2014 for all of our prototyping and machining needs. So we find them really easy to work with. We do all of our work, used to be in SolidWorks, we switched to Onshape recently, but we produce step files and we send the files to Star along with a drawing that calls out any kind of specific holes or tolerances or threads, and then within about a day we get a quote back with really reasonable price and lead time. So we only do really prototype work, so it's all machining. So it's machining various metals, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and sometimes we'll do anodized coating on our aluminum, or we'll specify a finish on the metal parts. But we've been really happy. So as we send out the parts to get quoted, they'll often come back with, well, this wall thickness is too thin, or we're having trouble hitting this tolerance, or if you make these changes, it might reduce the number of setups. So they do help us either reduce cost or make the part more manufacturable, or just ensure that it's a more reliable part in terms of, maybe if a wall is too thin and they might bust out, or when they do a tapped hole, it might be problematic. So they'll give us that advice and we'll change the part and send it back. So working with Star has been really great. I mean, we have a salesperson that we work directly with who supports us throughout the process, from getting the quote to updating us on the progress, sending us pictures of the parts as they progress through the manufacturing process, and then giving us tracking numbers when they send the parts out. So we've been really happy with the service and quality that Star has given us.